In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dispute a transaction on the Wells Fargo app in 2025. This guide will take you through the process, step by step, ensuring that you can handle any unexpected charges or transaction errors with ease and confidence. First, you'll want to open the Wells Fargo mobile app. If you haven't already done so, ensure that your app is updated to the latest version for a smoother experience. Once it's open, log in using your credentials. This will take you directly to your home screen. Next, take a moment to review your accounts displayed on the home screen. Identify the account that holds the transaction you want to dispute. Tap on that account, and it will lead you to a list of recent transactions. Scroll through this list carefully to find the specific transaction you are concerned about. It might be helpful to make a note of some details, such as the date and amount, so you can be sure you've selected the right one. Once you've located the transaction, tap on it to see more details. Here, you'll find the option to dispute this transaction or report a problem. Tapping this option will prompt you to choose a reason for your dispute. You'll see a list of potential reasons like unauthorized charge, wrong amount, or duplicate transaction. Select the option that best matches your situation. Taking a moment to accurately choose the reason will help Wells Fargo process your dispute more effectively. Now you're just about ready to submit your dispute. The app will present you with a screen to review all your details one last time. Double check everything to ensure all information is correct, as errors here might delay the processing of your dispute. Once you're satisfied with the accuracy of your information, tap Submit. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation message letting you know that your dispute request has been sent successfully. The app allows you to track the progress of your dispute by checking the status regularly right within the app itself. This feature is particularly handy as it keeps you informed of any updates or actions needed from your side. Remember, disputing a transaction can sometimes be a time-sensitive matter, so it's crucial to act as soon as you notice any irregularities. By following these steps, you can manage disputes efficiently and keep your finances secure. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating the Wells Fargo app.